Right guys, so here they are, look, the brand new iPhone 15 models. This is the natural titanium, which has got a lot of love. This is the iPhone 15 Pro and the larger 15 Pro Max model. Now there is a difference between these models, and that's really down to the camera, because the telephoto on the larger Pro Max model will allow you to zoom in up to 5x times. So let me get the camera, which is over there. One-handed use. You could see that it will give you up to 5x zoom on the Pro Max model, and the standard 3x zoom on the non-Max model over here. Now what I will say is both of them feel considerably lighter in the hand when compared with the existing iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max models. The other new update has been on the mute, or the lack of the mute button now. This is called an action button, and you can actually customize that in the settings directly over there. So that's another cool addition to have. Let me know what you think of the colors. Let me know what you think of the models. That is the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max.